Charlie, Olenoko. I can travel and see maybe or tell me or no shishing. Me tau ni my word to no enoko. Ona gambe no yo. Ona ke gan if it mo hingbele mo jeme. If it mo fia to mo hin ete an. Ma le ni chon. Ona mo fia mo na ogboro ke ni bi like even life cannot feel no check it. But behavior is different. It's like it looks like we are so intelligent to the extent that forgive me for saying it, but we have to good morning. When you turn on, we have to good morning. Maybe pini wole, courtesy, a whole lot of things. Be an effort more. Accra is like mind your business. But traveling across all the northern region there, one thing you realize, I'm a buomo. Me catching am ba me ishi. Come on. Onake gan wo bu ngamwa ha noko. We don't respect greetings. We don't greet people pass. They don't greet you. People, someone will even come to your shop, not greet you. Even, for example, let me use Uber. This Uber boats. People enter into the car. They don't even greet the driver. Forget to get their hands. Their life is in the hands of the driver. Because that moment, tell about drive moniko baya. Ona wo bu mo wo linga mo don. But be an honor. Pony label. Load mo she bangabo. Ne baho. Amenga moka banga adore me na bashi na kuashi. Hey kume akoto sponkra na nga. You see, sometimes we don't need to throw away our culture because culture is what defines us as people. Born musician. But what about his capital when you chile you take for example, greeting. What we call greeting alone is no more common in our society and our communities. You don't greet. And I'm doing this video because of what I've seen. I want to share with you guys. Okay. Let's go back to our roots. Let's learn and go back for our culture and practice it because it defines us, it disciplines us. Bona, in the mobile and feel mobile money, where wabiane. In the mo fan and phone no, no, entre. In the mobile, but I should have responded. But yo, Charlie, now what I need. Sometimes I will hear power and but we still have to go back. Bona, 3 men back at Sankofa, Akusa Ako, J Shani. So let's learn it. Oh no. Let's learn it and then let's be nice to each other. Let's greet. When you go somewhere, respect. Know how to talk people. You know, show that respect to everybody because Charlie be running about motion can no go favor at this and ba save. You walk all who he no ngami. All of a sudden no go favor. Ni nyono ne. We should have my folder. Sometimes so it's not even bad. I can call it attack from the person you sit next to no be like at least it breaks some barriers. Call town one more couple. Imagine money monitor masongale, okay, bulle, wohale, kekeno aqua, egg elaje ona. Bona, she can't look like oh, we need help, minister. Oh, like, Tower Mapia, because of no ngale, it really some kind of barrier. So let's learn from this thing, and then it will help you. My name is Nia aka Ganyobi. Bole. Ke video ne no ninka boyue ka me let me know in the comment section. Nyera don.